Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to diagnose tie rods. You have inner and outer tie rods that connect to your steering rack, and that's what moves your wheels, left and right. Now, the great thing about tie rods is they're very easy to diagnose, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get a jack under it. Okay, so what you want to do once you got it jacked up, you want to put your hands at the 3 and the 9 o'clock position and shake it back and forth. And as you can see, there's a ton of play. That should be steady. So that was the before, and here's the after. Okay, so here's the after. As you can see, no play, so we can call that fixed. While you got it up in the air, you can also check the 12 and 6, but there's no play there. Okay, now that we've seen that it moves with the 3 and 9 o'clock, we definitely know it's a tie rod. Now we just gotta figure out if it's the inner or outer. First thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and take the wheel off. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come here to your outer tie rod, which connects right here, and you just want to look around this boot for any signs of tearing. If it's tore, you need to replace it. This one looks pretty new and looks to be in good shape. Okay, as I say a lot on this channel, work smarter, not harder. So what we'll do is we'll get in the car, just reach in, and we'll turn the wheel to the right. Okay, so after you checked for a rip all the way around this boot, see if it's leaking anywhere. Once grime gets in there, it's shot. Really, once it's ripped, you might as well go ahead and replace it. You can grab here and turn left and right. There should be a good bit of resistance. This one feels super loose. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off just so I can show you how to check your inner tie rod. And when we do, we'll definitely make sure that that boot isn't ripped. Okay, so the first thing we gotta do is we gotta remove this Carter key. I just get some snips like this. Don't ever cut them off, but just use them to straighten it up. Just slowly work it out. Usually it comes a little bit easier than this. There you go. Okay, so next you just want to take off this castle nut. In my case, it's an 18mm. And mine came loose pretty easy. Okay, usually they're stuck in there. There's different ways to go about it, but what I like to do is hit right here on the side. The vibration will actually shake it loose. Works practically all the time. So, like I said, just get you a little sledgehammer. There you go, you saw it pop up and it comes right out. Okay, so now that you got all that off, to test the inner one, you're gonna go back and forth. Usually you'll hear a clunking noise at this point, but it's not moving at all, so that inner tie rod is good. Okay, I'll show you another one of my videos where the inner tie rod is bad. That way you know what it looks like and sounds like. You just want to grab it and go back and forth with it. If there's play, which there definitely is, you can hear it, you can see it. And as I pull this out, you can actually, if you can do that, it's definitely bad. Time to replace it. Put this tie rod off. This is your outer. This is moving way too easy, but there are no ribs in it. So we should be able to just put some grease right in here to this grease fitting and give it that strength that it needs. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put some grease in there. Okay, we have grease coming out the top right there. Okay, so now if we take the wheel, move it back and forth, you see that play right there? So this is our problem. I tried to put grease in it, as you just saw, but the grease is just flowing right back out. And when that's the case, you just got to replace this outer tie rod. And that's going to do it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.